Great to see you here again. My name is Luc de Koster, founder of the Castor Academy. And in this very short presentation, I will present to you the uniform probability distribution. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time there is a new video, you will be informed by YouTube. The uniform probability distribution is a very simple distribution. It means that basically all the events have the same probability of occurrence. We have seen this in games like roulette and lotto, where all the numbers always have the same probability. It's basically a distribution that we use in case we have no idea about the events, about the probability of the different events that we are considering. We can use it to do some calculations, and of course we just have to define how does it look, what is the formula of the uniform distribution. When we have the uniform distribution, basically we have here in an x and y graph the distribution, and we can say that the values that the distribution, the value of x, f of x is 1 divided by b minus a for x between a and b. But when x is smaller than a or x is larger than b, then the probability is 0. And when we integrate over this interval, because all the possibilities that we have are between a and b, we find that the integration, the total surface, also gives us the probability of 1. And that's basically very simple, the uniform distribution. That's it for this video. I told you it was a short one. Anyway, before leaving, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button. And of course, we're looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Thank you very much and bye-bye.